just noticed over my cup of tea here, there's a line of condensation going straight up on the window above it. I was sort of expecting it to spread out a little bit. Condensation happens, of course, because warm air comes in contact with a cold, chilly surface. The steaming hot air touches the cool surface, the chilly surface of the window, and turns into water. Here's a variation I've made. Just put it on the windowsill in another room. It's gone a little bit higher. Again, fairly straight up. Fades out towards the top, but down towards the bottom, if I come in close, you can see the droplets forming on that window. It's a cup that's come from a Carew student. There's a lovely picture of some of the droplets of water. And condensation can happen on windows, and you can write your name or messages, of course, too, if it's chilly on the outside and warm or humid on the inside. So a boiling kettle produces steam, of course, and steam is quite a dangerous thing because it gets so hot. Steam burns are quite nasty, so do be careful near kettles. The steam coming up, of course, is a bit more like evaporation, water going from a liquid into a gas. And if you put something over top of the steam coming up, you can get condensation on that. So this is something else I did with my excess of oranges. I made some orange marmalade jam, and at the top of that jar, there is some condensation there. Warm air inside, cold air outside. So what does this word condensation actually mean? Well, to condense something is to take something that's already spread right out and condense it or compact it into one particular compact sort of little area. Another example of that could be condensed milk. You've probably seen that. Well, condensed milk is really just a condensed version of the spread out milk. This is sloshy. Condensed is much thicker. So condensed water vapor is much the same. In the air, there's tiny little droplets of H2O, which we know is water, and we don't really see them or feel them other than when it gets really humid. But if warm air that's humid, it's got some moisture in it, goes up against the surface of a cold, chilly window, then the water vapor in the air condenses on the surface of the window and becomes little droplets of H2O.